Okay, I got a 2010 Honda Accord. I bought it brand new and back in July. It's now January or February right now. And I'm having some problems with it. Actually, a lot of problems with it. But this is the newest problem. The car doesn't like to start all the time, and I don't know why. Let me see if I can get this to work because it was just doing it. So the car has 11,813 miles on it. And when I turn the key, it doesn't do nothing. I don't know why, like sometimes it'll spark like that, like it wants to start, but then other times it don't. Like, here, you can see my display, something happens. When I turn the key to start it, all the lights go out. Well, try to start there. Maybe the start signal's not reaching the computer for it to start. Take my key out here and try it again. Like, I hear a click under the dash, but like the engine's not clicking or anything. I don't think it's my battery because all of my lights are working. That's what happens when I turn the key all the way to start it. Nothing happens. Try it again here. There, it finally started. I don't know what's wrong with this car, but I take it to Honda 4 times already for that issue, and they're like, well, we can't figure out what's wrong with it because it's not doing it to them. And they told me, well, unless it does it, we can't do nothing about it. So I'm kind of stuck with a car that's unreliable. So maybe somebody could show me some ideas of what's going on.